Hello, car enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss a common issue faced by owners of 2004 to 2008 Ford F150 Extended Cab trucks. We're talking about the rear door lock, latch cable assembly replacement on the left side. Now, this might not seem like a major problem at first glance, but trust me, it's a pretty annoying issue. Imagine you're driving along, and suddenly your rear door won't close properly. It can be quite a headache when you have to unload or load things in the back. But fear not. Replacing the lock latch cable assembly is a straightforward task that even novice mechanics can handle. All you need is patience and the right tools. And don't worry if you've never done it before. There are plenty of online tutorials and forums that can guide you through the process step by step. The part itself is readily available at most auto parts stores or online retailers. Just make sure to purchase the one specifically designed for your 2004 to 2008 Ford F150 Extended Cab truck, so you can be sure it fits correctly and functions optimally. In conclusion, tackling this issue might seem daunting at first, but with a little effort, time, and some elbow grease, you can replace that lock latch cable assembly on your Ford F150 in no time. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, happy wrenching!